As you guys can see by the title, this video is very well overdue, okay? Super duper duper well overdue. I am late. I've had this palette for the longest time, like since it came out, okay? So I do apologize. You guys know life gets a little busy, okay? So I wanted to give you guys my opinion and my honest review about the palette. Everybody should be familiar with this palette by now, so I'm not going to make this video too long. But I am here today to give you guys a review on the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Now, when I got the eyeshadow palette, I did go ahead and swatch it, and I also did, I recorded the eyeshadow palette on my phone, so I will insert that in this video as well as the swatches, so you guys can really see how the swatches look and how the shadows look, because you guys know that I be struggling with my lights sometimes. I'm filming at night, so the lights, I mean, they're good, but then they're not. And when it comes to swatching videos, the lighting don't be working with me. So we're just gonna go ahead and insert those pictures so you guys can see it. But enough about that, let's go ahead and talk about this palette. So here's how the box looks, holographic. I really like the box, it really caught my eye. On the front it says JA, which is Jackie Aina. This is her initials and her signature. And then of course it says Anastasia Beverly Hills. On the back it says Jackie Aina. It tells you that it's an eyeshadow and pressed pigments palette. It lets you guys know that it's Jackie's favorite silky neutrals, vibrant warms, and tantalizing cool tones. Basically, the finishes are a perfect mix of both matte and elevating shimmer textures. And then it also has all the ingredients and all that good stuff. So here's how the actual palette looks. Very similar to the box, holographic, but it's not as shiny as the box, of course. But still pretty. Has the same thing, JA, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then this is just on the back. Now, if you are familiar with Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, they usually have a mirror and they also have a brush. I did use the brush today, but it's somewhere up here and I didn't get a chance to grab it before doing this video. But if you guys are familiar with Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes in their eyeshadow, most of the time it's a two-sided brush. One side is fluffy and the other side is kind of flat, but slightly fluffy, and it's very small. This is not it, but this is how it looks. This is not the brush that's in this palette, but it's very similar. So if you guys are familiar with their brushes, this is what I'm talking about. So there are 14 eyeshadows in here total. You have a couple mattes and the rest are pretty much shimmer. The shades that I used today to recreate this look, I use Big Wig, which is that matte purple. I use Shookington, which is this shimmer purple right here. Then I use Lituation, which is in the middle. I can't describe what that shade color is, but it's kind of like gray. It's a shimmer, but it's kind of like a grayish. I can't explain it. And then right here, I use Dolas. That's that gold shade. So here's how the shades look. You can't really see the gold shade, but here, I'll show you right here. So Big Wig, the matte shade, Dolas. When I'm thinking about saying it, I can't say it correctly, but when I'm not, I can say it. Lituation, and then Shookington. So again, I'm not going to do any swatches. You guys will see the picture of the swatches, but I just wanted to give you guys my honest review. And I must say that I absolutely love this palette, even though this is my first time using the palette. When I first got it, I did swatches, and after seeing other people do some looks, I knew that I would love this palette, and I really do. So shout out to Jackie and Anastasia Beverly Hills for creating this palette. I really do like it. I am going to get more use into this palette. The shades are pigmented, as you can see. Like, I didn't have to use no extra bump to get no pigmentation, nothing. I did a cut crease. But as soon as I put the color on, it was like, bam! Like, so the shades are very pigmented. I absolutely love them. So again, I did not film this look, but if you guys do want to see this look, I can film this look for you guys at another time. Now, I do plan on doing some more looks using this palette because this is my favorite palette, even though it's the first time I'm using it, but I knew it would be one of my favorite palettes. So I will be taking advantage of this palette very, very soon. I will be doing a channel update soon, giving you guys letting you guys know what new things I'm going to be bringing to my channel come the new year and all that good stuff. So you guys keep a lookout on that. But that is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share. Let me know, again, if you want to see this look down below or any other looks and all that good stuff. If you guys have any color suggestions as far as this palette, or I definitely need to get out some fall looks. Y'all, I usually get these fall looks out, but I don't know what's been going on. So y'all, if y'all have any suggestions as far as fall looks, make sure you let me know down below. I definitely need to get on the ball with that very, very soon. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you guys will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.